In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change screen time password on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to settings. Then tap at screen time, and then if we scroll down a bit we can easily find the change screen time passcode feature. We can tap on it and select change screen time passcode. On that step it will ask you for your old screen time passcode. If you remember it, you can just enter it, and after that just come up with the new password, then confirm it. And that's it. However, if you forgot your screen time password, there is also an option how you can reset it, and after that set new screen time password. Just tap here again, hit add change screen time passcode, and then select forgot passcode. On that step, you need to enter your Apple ID, then hit add OK, then enter your Apple ID password and hit add OK again. And what that will do, that will reset your screen time passcode. After that, you will be able to tap right here again. It will say set screen time passcode instead of change screen time passcode, and then just enter your new screen time passcode and save it. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.